Samsung's Galaxy Note 8 is currently available, a phone which goes large on the display and attributes but not too far on the battery life. For that we are grateful, since it is one sexy new piece of technology we would rather see remain in one piece. Let us only hope consumers are eager to forget and forgive. It might seem there, if Samsung's claims about premature Note 8 sales are anything to go by. The Galaxy Note 8 sold in record amounts on its first weekend on general sale, which makes it our most prosperous Note apparatus launch up to now, said Connor Pierce, Samsung's VP of Mobile. The rumors we have been telling you about for weeks now all proven to be accurate, that the Galaxy Note 8 is Samsung's first flagship to incorporate a dual camera, and goes on the Galaxy S8 Plus having a slightly bigger infinity screen and an improved for 2017 S Pen stylus. Its absolute electricity is without doubt, using a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 chip and 6GB of RAM hiding indoors, but this monster is a beauty inside and outside. The brand new infinity screen with a Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED panel isn't just stunning, but its own always-on screen feature supports fresh S Pen performance like the pinning and editing of all notes. One thing which will not please Samsung critics, however, is that the fingerprint scanner, that stays in an awkward place with all the camera in the trunk, split with all the flash and also heart rate scanner. But people who have adopted the business over the last couple of years may take some relief in the truth that it continues to provide microSD service and is IP68 rated watertight. There is a headphone jack also, which can be handy. New attributes in the Galaxy Note 8. There are 4 key new features in the Note 8 to 2017, with a fresh infinity screen, as noticed earlier this season using all the Galaxy S8, a brand new dual camera, an improved S Pen, and Bixby. Let us look at these in greater detail. It is larger than at 6.3 in, however dual curved advantages and a minimum display bezel create the Galaxy Note 8's screen seem very manageable. That is an infinity screen, similar to this implemented earlier this season around the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus. It employs an 18:9 aspect ratio to provide more space for those things that you would like to do. The screen-to-body ratio is crazy high, but sadly that does imply that the fingerprint scanner was relegated to the back. This really is a Super AMOLED screen, in common with preceding Samsung handsets. It excels in providing the kind of hot, saturated colors that put a grin on your face, while maxing out contrast and brightness with super whites and ultra-modern blacks. Viewing angles are exemplary, and the display is remarkably sharp as a result of some Quad HD Plus resolution. The Note 8 includes all of the usual Edge attributes, but adds yet another with Edge Bear. This permits you to pin 2 programs to the Edge panel, which makes it much easier to start both simultaneously. There is protective Gorilla Glass 5, however, this remains one screen you won't wish to break. iFixit has taken apart the Galaxy Note 8 and discovered it is going to be hard to fix given that access is via the glass back, so to substitute the display you may need to eliminate both pieces of glass. It gave the Note 8 a repairability score of merely 4/10. Dual camera. Samsung has held out to the present dual camera trend for a long time, but that appears to have paid off since it asserts it's its very best camera ever. In the back you have 2 12MP lenses, 1 wide-angle plus 1 telephoto, and a 2 encourage optical image stabilization. Using 2 cameras you can control the depth of field before and after case, thus creating a bokeh effect. Or you'll be able to set the 2 to shoot 2 slightly different pictures simultaneously, one shut up, the other not too much.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.